What's up guys, it's JAPA Rico here, live broadcasting to everyone who is watching me on YouTube. And I'm here enjoying this very beautiful, this awesome and nice view here guys, directly from my sports gym. You can see some people walking there on the sidewalk, and here this marvelous, beautiful view. Let's not waste time and let's go straight to the chart guys. I'm gonna show you, because a lot of people were asking me what is going on, what the hell is going on with Bitcoin. And I told you guys a few days ago, I told you guys that Bitcoin would go on a bearish trend, and a lot of guys, at least for the next few days, a lot of guys were questioning me, like how come, right, it reached 52K, and how come you're saying that now? Like I've been saying this for weeks now. So when it reached 50K, I said it would go, and eventually, like, it didn't go in my direction. It went even upper, like even higher. And a lot of people were saying, oh, JAPA Rico doesn't know jack. It's not the truth, because once it reached 52K, it started to go down a lot, and like it was a huge drop guys. It was a huge drop, and you can see, if you look at the charts, let's look at the charts. So we are going to look at the charts now, and you can see guys on the M15. Okay, so now here, sometimes I look at smaller time frames. I usually trade on the daily chart, but let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, because guys, it's very clear to us that there is this accumulation. So price has been going on a very clear bearish trend here that's forming along the dragon. And the dragon, once again, it's this blue belt here that you can see. So price has been going along the resistance of the dragon for quite some time guys. And you can see that if you entered here along the resistance of the dragon, if you entered a sell position, you would have made some money there. And this is a very beautiful, is a very clean chart. Let's take a look at what's going on the hourly chart guys. So on the hourly chart, I can say something that is a little bit, is not as clear as the one on M15, not as clear as that, okay, but is also along the dragon. And I would say even it's more like along the 25 WGT, which is this white line. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's this white line that shows another level of support and resistance. And you can see that so far price has been accumulating. Okay, so right now it's been accumulating just on this white line, the 25 WGT. And it's also on a clear bearish trend on the H1 time frame. Okay, and let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, it already broke the 200 EMA here. So I can see that from now on, there is a possibility that price will continue to go on this bearish trend. Okay, so it's more likely price will continue to go on this bearish trend. So let's see what's going to happen on the daily chart, guys. On the daily chart, I can really tell that this is more likely to happen. Why? Because so far, guys, so far what happened is that we have this accumulation of volume here with this tiny red candle, okay, on the volume bar. But here price has failed to cross the dragon downwards, okay? It has failed to cross, and then so I would say that there is a possibility that price will try to catch the 200 EMA here at some time, but it's not very clear because we don't have volume at the moment, so we don't really know what is going to happen to this, well, eventually, if we have entered a position here, okay? We don't know what's going to happen on this time frame, but based on H4, okay, based on H4, I can see that it's very clear to me that the price has broken this 200 EMA. So if I'm going to enter a trade, I would be based on H4 and M15, because those ones are very clear, especially M15, guys. M15 is very clear, but don't forget, okay, don't forget one thing. If you enter Okay, and this is not a recommendation of anything. It's not financial advice. It's not financial recommendation of anything. But if I'm just telling you what I'm going to do, or what I would do. If I entered a position on M15, of course, for me that would be a much faster trade in comparison to the trades that I usually trade on the daily chart and on the 4-hour chart. So as you guys know me, I'm not sure for how long you guys have been following me, but if you guys know me, you know that I like to enter on the daily chart, positions on the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. So if I eventually enter M15, of course, that trade would be much faster, okay? So that's my message for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.